Hi, I'm Beth Dixon, and I'm the cocktail instructor here at Kitchen Classroom, and today we're going to be making an old-fashioned. So we're going to start with a couple things here. We've got a nice bottle of bourbon from Old Forester, got our Angostura bitters, and some rich Demerara syrup, which is a 2-to-1 sugar to water ratio. I've got my mixing glass here, and I'm going to use a bar spoon as well to stir. And we're gonna stir this drink because it doesn't have any juice in it. And we're also gonna need a strainer, a Hawthorne strainer or a julep strainer will do. So first things I'm gonna do is go ahead and measure out in my mixing glass our whiskey. So we're gonna start with 2 ounces of bourbon or rye. And then we're gonna measure out a little bit of this syrup. You can go 1/4 ounce to 1/2 ounce, depending on how sweet you like. I like mine a little dry, so I go with 1/4 ounce. And then we're gonna put a couple dashes of bitters in there. And if you like it a little more bitter, you can go a little heavier, which I do like more bitter. And next we're gonna add some ice in our glass and give it a nice stir. And when we're stirring, what we're looking for is about 25 to 30% dilution by volume. And we wanna see that our mixing glass is nice and cold. So I'm just gonna keep stirring until my glass feels really cold and I can see that everything is diluted a little bit. And once you think you're nice and chilly and you got things diluted, we're gonna go ahead and put some fresh ice in our cocktail glass. Using an old-fashioned style glass. And we're gonna take our strainer, spring side down, and strain into our old-fashioned glass with fresh ice. You could use a king cube here if you've got them. And the last thing we're gonna do is garnish. We're gonna take a nice big fat peel from this orange. And we're just going to express all of the oils from the orange into the cocktail. So you want the peel facing down towards the cocktail, and you're just gonna pinch it and get all of those nice oils, rub it around the top of the glass, and give it a little twirl here and toss it in your cup. And then you've got your old fashioned. Cheers.